Let's connect the dots to draw the sea turtle together. Get your dot-to-dot printable template in the description below, get your art supplies, and let's draw. And color! So we start here at number 1 and we curve all the way to 5, forwards or backwards, whichever you like. And from 5 we're curving to 8. To a point, and now we're going to curve all the way to 14. And if you have to do it in sections to get a smooth curve, that's okay. Now from 14, curving out and down to 16. And we're going to do a bunch of bumps all the way around. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and then all the way around to 27. 27 curving to 33. Now here going a little bit past 33, curving into 33 like this, and now we're curving all the way along, so 34, 5, 36, 7, 38, 9, big one to 40, 41, and then from 42 and 3 like this, and now a gentle curve all the way to 49. And stop right there. Now what I'm going to do is go from the point here just past 33, we're going to make a big curve to 49. Now from 49, you're going to be snaking all the way to 58 to a point. Stop there and curving back down to 60. Now past 60, somewhere in line with number 4, you're going to curve here, down, and up a bit and keep on going to 63. And now 63, back to number 1. Back at 14, you're going to be curving up, and then you're going to be curving back down to connect to 8. So follow along with me just like this. Connect to 8. Now back from 15 and 16, I want you to keep on going and curve back up to the shell we just made. And here you're going to be kind of looping all the way around, getting bigger, 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 back to number 8 to create the edge of the shell. Now back at number 2, we're going to do a curve and down to 65, like this. From 64 and 62, connecting it like this. 58 to the middle of between 60 and 61, like this. Let's add a smile line over here, and then now we're going to work on the eye. So right here is the eyebrow. So you're going to curve up and down, make an arc like that, and then a smaller arc from here to here. Now I like to make the highlight next. And now we're doing the pupil and the iris. So from 51, we're doing a little bit of a snake, up and around to 53 like this, so we can make the other fin of our turtle. And I'm going to switch markers now, and we're going to make wavy lines for some seaweed. I'm going to use my circle template to make some bubbles, and after that we're going to color. As always, I start coloring with my base colors first, usually light to dark. Only when they're done and dry do I move on to do shadows, which will be later on in the video. Often when I'm coloring, I bounce around the picture quite a lot, because when I do one color, I'm waiting for it to dry so then I move on to the next one. And so I fill the whole page first with my base colors before I move on to something else, either a detail or a shadow. Base color is done and dry, now it's time to add a little bit more detail. If you know, a lot of sea turtles have spots, so that's what I'm going to do right here is draw brown spots all over my turtle. If you're using the internet as reference, you'll see that sea turtles come in a range of colors. They can be olive green, yellow, greenish brown, reddish brown, or even black. But since this is a picture and it's your picture, you can use whatever colors you want. That's the fun part about art and coloring. I'm going to be a little bit playful with the shell and make it orange, and as you can see I'm using cross-hatching as kind of a texture just for the fun of it. Earlier I didn't use my Sharpie for all the details because I was afraid of smudging when I was coloring, so now is the time I'm going to go back and add those details, like the pattern on the shell. Did you know that sea turtles don't have teeth? Just thought I'd throw a fun fact out there for you, while you're coloring. Now that we're done the shadows on our turtle, let's not forget to add shadows to our seaweed. If you love drawing and coloring sea creatures with me, check out this video on your screen next. And check out the playlist in the description below for more fun drawings.